Okay, here we see the reduction of metal from metal oxides. So metal oxides, no? So metal oxides, whatever we got because of the roasting and calcination, we got the zinc oxide and the so from this zinc oxide, how the zinc is separated. So the reduction of the metal, removal of the oxygen is called as a reduction of the metals. Okay, so here once the ores are converted to their oxides. Okay, ores are converted to their oxide. For example, Zn sulfide is converted to zinc oxide, na? And then what is that? Zinc carbonate, that means carbonate ores and sulfide ores, and got to oxides. So when these sulfide ores are converted, changed into oxides, when these carbonate ores are changed into oxides, so they are now reduced to obtain the respective metals. Reduced to obtain means what? Oxygen is removal of oxygen is called as reduction reaction. So here then the reduced to obtain the respective metals. The metal oxides is heated along with the flux. What is the flux? Write the meaning of the flux. F-L-U-X-E, flux, not the flex, flux. Flux means purifying agent. Purifying means what? Cleaning, na? Purifying agent. For example, sometimes in the water is if water is spoiled, means drinking water, in that government keeps the some powder, na? So to clean the water. So like that, purifying agent. Flux is the purifying agent. Now again, what we get the metal oxide, it is heated. Okay, so heated along with the flux. Here flux is which one? This is one. Carbon is the flux. Flux means what? Purifying agent. And reducing. Metal oxide is heated along with the flux and reducing agent, and this gives the metal in liquid form. So metal, when we get the pure metal, we get in the liquid form. Afterwards, this metal is added with another metal again to get the hard form. First, the impure metal we get in the hard form. Okay, it is in the form of a rocks, na? So from that it is separated. So this one, after the purifying, removing the metal with the help of the heating, we get the liquid form. Pure metal is in the liquid form. Okay, so this Zn oxides converted ores are what is that? Reduced by heating. Okay, with the help of the flux, purifying agent. So carbon is the reducing agent. Okay, now here ZNO, look at the textbook, you have this equation. ZNOC gives rise to triangle, means heating. So Zn, now you see zinc is separated, carbon monoxide is released outside. Now O is removed with the reducing agent. Okay, O is the reducing agent. Removal of oxygen is called as a reducing. Here carbon is the flux. Flux means purifying agent. Okay, so it is removes the oxygen from the zinc. Now we get the pure zinc. So it is in the liquid form. This process is known as a smelting. This process is called as what? Smelting. Smelting means what? When the metal oxide is heated along with the flux and reducing agent, and this gives the metal in a liquid form. This process is called as a smelting. The flux helps the removal of the hard to melt impurities. So the flux will help to remove the hard materials and it will be melting the pure metal. So smelting can be carried by in two ways. Smelting will be taking place in the two ways. So what are the two ways? One is the carbon reduction method, another one is the chemical reduction method. In the carbon reduction method, whatever I explained now, that is the one. Roasted or calcinated ore is heated at high temperature. Here roasted or calcinated ore means what? With the roasting means in the presence of the oxygen, when we heat the concentrated ore, we get the zinc oxide. And calcination means what? In the absence of the oxygen, when we heat at the high temperature, when we heat the concentrated ore, we got the zinc oxide. So that zinc oxide, again when we heat with the help of a coke or carbon. Now this coke and carbon is the flux. Flux means purifying agent in a blast furnace. Okay, so blast furnace means what? Like instrument in this. Okay, I will show you the blast furnace. Okay, so this is the blast furnace. This instrument is this like addition, it is called as a blast furnace. So in this is the blast furnace. Okay, so in this blast furnace, okay, in this blast furnace, zinc oxide is put and also carbon is put. When they are heating, copper is separated and CO is removed. So this is the one. So zinc we get in the liquid form. So another one method is this is the carbon reduction method. That means the carbon is removing the oxygen. That is a carbon reduction method. Now the chemical reduction method. In the chemical reduction method, we use the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means what? Highly reactive metals will take the place of the low reactive metals. So for example, CuSO4 plus Fe means what? Iron. Okay, so here you saw in the activity series, you see copper is the highly reactive metal than iron. Okay, copper is the highly reactive metal than iron. Yes. So this copper is highly reactive, iron is low reactive. So copper is taking the place of the iron. So here now what is the product we get? FeSO4 plus Cu. FeSO4 plus Cu. Now you see this copper metal is separated. Now copper metal is separated. Now so chemical reduction method means here they are using the displacement reaction at the highly reactive metals taking the place of the low reactive metals, and like that the metal is separated. So it is the chemical reduction method. Metals lower in the reactivity series can be displaced from solutions of their ionic salts by metals higher up in their reactivity series. This principle is used to separate the metals using the displacement reaction. So we have for example, here what we have, CuSO4 is the one kind of salt now. Okay, that is why they are telling as a ionic salt. Okay, so CuSO4 is here. So inside what they put, they keep the ions. So iron is taking the place of the copper. For example, here you study now CuSO4, this is the solution, salt solution. In this salt pin, iron is here. So copper is more reactive, it is taking the place of the iron. So we get the FeSO4 and plus Cu, copper is separated. So the displacement reaction is also used to separate the metal from the ore. This is the sulfide ore. Thank you, students.